Hey everyone, my name is Jeremy and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, have you ever wanted to contribute to open source but you're not sure exactly where to start? Well, today I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can get started and how you can find a project that you'd be interested in actually contributing to. Tip number 1. Find something that interests you. The best way to find a project that you would actually enjoy contributing to would be to find something that aligns with your interests. So if you are very passionate about functional programming and use a lot of Haskell or Scala or something along those lines, then you'd filter for projects based on programming language. If you are very passionate about distributed systems, Google popular distributed systems and then look for those projects in either GitHub or GitLab or whatever version control system you use. If you're very into space, look for projects that are associated with space or aerospace or things of that nature. It's very important to find something that interests you. It will give you the motivation to make the progress that is needed to actually contribute to that project in a meaningful way. Tip number 2. Do your research. If you see some projects that you're interested in, narrow it down by looking at the documentation available in that project, the amount of contributors that actually actively work on that project and maintain it. Look for any Slack or Discord channels that exist. This will give you a good idea of how much activity is going on with that project and if you will be able to make a good amount of progress or be able to get help when needed when you start contributing. A lot of issues you'll come across when working on open source, especially small projects, is that there's not a fast turnaround time, and if there's a small project and only a person or a few people are working on it, there's a higher chance that the turnaround time is going to be even longer. If you work on a big project with a lot of maintainers or a lot of contributors, there's a better chance that you'll get quicker feedback on the work that you do or questions that you have in regards to contributing to that project. Tip number 3. Use and test out the project that you plan on contributing to. Now, say it's a distributed system such as Kubernetes, and you want to get more familiar with the project and get a better understanding if it's something that you'd be interested in contributing to. Use Kubernetes. Try it out. See if you can come across bugs or existing issues, or just understand the basics of how it works and get a good idea of how it should work. Find a particular area of that project that you're interested in and dive deep on it. Say you start using Kubernetes and you find the networking aspect of Kubernetes interesting, really read into the networking part of the documentation for that project, for that Kubernetes project. This can be applied to any project. Find something that you're interested in with the project by using it, and then do a deep dive into that aspect of the project. This will give you good familiarity with how things should be done. Any pain points that you've come across, you can document that as well. This will give you good insight into how you can contribute to that project, what needs to be worked on, what can be improved upon, and it will help you understand the code better once you start working on it, if you've actually used the project itself. So those are my 3 tips. I hope this will help you get started in figuring out what project you can contribute to when it comes to open source. Again, feel free to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and watch out for more videos.